Today is our 20th anniversary party, celebrating our 20th birthday. We started as homebrewers together back in college. Our first batch we homebrewed together was in the dorms.
It wasn't like you could hop onto Google and say, hey, we're gonna ferment some apple juice. You know, how do you do this? And it was more of, hey, let's grab some bread yeast, toss it into some apple cider and see what happens. I like to tell everybody that Anello and I minored in homebrewing.
And we've just never looked back.
It's our 20th anniversary, man. It's exciting.
We've come a long way, you know. I mean, 20 years is, especially in today's craft industry, we're grandpas now.
For me, it's always humbling and amazing to see the response that we get.
3,000 tickets were gone in 2 seconds.
We had to tell people, you cannot camp out in the parking lot. The village won't allow it. But they'd show up, you know, they beat me here, and I come in about 5, 6 o'clock in the morning on this day.
There's a couple things about Central Waters that we hang our hat on. Number one is quality beer. Every single one of our beers, I can put my faith behind to say that is a solid beer, right? And then a few of them knock it completely out of the park.
You know, we're probably really poor businessmen, but we're really good people, you know, and that's what sets us apart.
No matter what your taste is in beer, we make something for you.
20 years of smiling, literally smiling every day I come in. I don't mind getting up early, I don't mind staying late. I'll have you sold on Central Waters pretty quick if you get the time with me.